Hello, I'm Gauri. This video is about angle of repose. In industry, handling of solids is a major issue. Solids in form of grains or powder are characterized by several properties such as shape, size, moisture content, bulk density, roughness, etc. There are some more properties such as Hausner ratio, Carr's index and angle of repose. These describe the tendency of solid to flow. Flow of solids is observed in hoppers. It could also be observed when the solid particles are conveyed using conveyors. Now let us see what is angle of repose. So angle of repose is important for powdered solids, grains, seeds or soil. See, angle of repose is important because it gives us an idea about behavior of solid particles. It helps to understand whether solid is free flowing or not. And this is important while handling the solids. We will get back to this slide. Suppose if we pour a sample from a certain height in such a way that it forms a heap. Look here. This is the heap. Such a heap would be formed. Now the angle that is made with the horizontal, this angle is called as angle of repose. Angle of repose is calculated for grains, soil sample, powder sample, seeds, etc. It is the angle at which particles in the heap can remain in place without becoming unstable. It is also defined as the steepest angle to the horizontal plane, which a material can be piled without sliding. The value of angle of repose will be different for different materials. It is between 0 degree to 90 degree. Other properties of material such as moisture content, particle size, shape, etc. influence angle of repose. The cohesive forces also play an important role. It is clear that angle of repose describes the free-flowing nature of sample of solids. It is essential to know the value of angle of repose for various solid handling operations. Look here. This is how we relate angle of repose and flowability of sample. Now we shall see how to calculate angle of repose. Angle of repose is calculated by tilting box method, fixed funnel method, hollow cylinder method. I will show how angle of repose is calculated using fixed funnel method. Look here. This is the procedure for calculating angle of repose using fixed funnel method. That's all for this video. These resources are used for preparing this video. Thanks for watching.